You won't believe what's been hiding on Mars this whole time. And yeah, I like it, but at the same time, it makes me feel kind of small. For our second story today, chemists found a way to save the planet using a metal that's also sort of alive. So a living metal?
That doesn't make sense.
For our third story, nature pulled a fast one on us and kept evolving right under our noses. And what this means for people all over the world is pretty awesome. All that and a little bit more today on the Good News. Run it.
Hey, how you doing?
Tell me what it is.
Do I look good from where you standing?
I know I do.
I know there's a couple of things in life I need to bend.
Welcome back to the Good News, y'all. Show where we look at good news from around the world, checking out different countries, communities, industries, and in today's episode, breakthrough discoveries from 2025.
That is a future.
And as always, we'll leave politics at the door. And with that, my name is Logan, and let's dive right in. Now to start, let me ask you, if you could go back in time and be the first person to discover something, what would it be? And yes, Google is an acceptable answer. I do not blame you. It would be nice to be able to buy the whole world, wouldn't it? Let me know in the comments. To kick things off, imagine looking at a handful of red dust and realizing we might not have been alone in the universe.
What are you trying to tell me?
Now, this discovery comes from NASA's Perseverance Rover on Mars, which has been quietly roaming the Jezero crater, a dried up lake bed on Mars that scientists actually suspect held water at one point. But the big challenge has been collecting any sort of evidence that points to signs of life. And I say that to say it'd be a whole lot easier if they were only there to find dust and rocks. But on their last expedition, Perseverance cracked open a mudstone and actually found something that was not quite dust or rock. This might sound like I'm casting a spell on you, but they found Vivianite and Greigite, and 3 billion year old Vivianite and Greigite at that, which means back when Mars had rivers and lakes, the chemical makeup of those minerals matched ancient Earth microbial activity.
What are you trying to see?
So yes, it's proof of life, but it's not the type of life that we could challenge to a game of horse. And I don't know why that's my baseline for life, but today it is. And seeing something like this makes me grateful to know that people much smarter than me are trying to answer the same questions that all of us have. And not to cause an existential crisis, but that robot all the way on Mars could actually help you see that you're part of something much bigger than your body or your spirit. So take that risk.
I believe in you.
And that right there is some good news. For our second story today, what if a crystal made of atoms was the key to fighting climate change and water scarcity?
Is that possible?
And this is brand new. Last month in October 2025, 3 chemists from Japan, Australia, and the United States discovered a way to build a living framework to trap carbon dioxide and water vapor. And when traditional filters to capture CO2 look like this and are overpriced and under-efficient, the world needed something a little bit more precise and less energy intensive. And each one of these MOFOs, or I guess metal organic frameworks, so it's MOFs, but MOFOs is pretty cool, has an enormous internal surface area. And somehow, a single gram inside of this little crystal can have the same surface area as a football field. And by adjusting the chemical structure, scientists can tune this MOFO, or these MOFs, to absorb carbon dioxide, toxic pollutants, and even moisture from desert air.
This turned out so much cooler than I thought it would!
And these chemists weren't chasing fame. They were building tools for the betterment of the people. And this discovery shows that science can literally breathe new life into the planet. And it's a reminder that the smallest things can have a pretty big impact. So buy that pair of shoes you've been thinking about.
How do you get that from anything I just said?
And that right there is some good news. Real quick, if you're enjoying the good news so far, hit that like and subscribe button. We bring the good news every week, so don't miss out. For our third story today, nature just pulled off a big plot twist with plants playing with chemistry they shouldn't be playing with and all.
Where'd you learn to do that?
So a professor at Northeastern University was enjoying their time studying the Canadian moonseed when they stumbled upon something extraordinary. The moonseed had been evolving in front of their eyes. I say that because for years, scientists thought that plants couldn't naturally add chlorine atoms to organic molecules because it's a reaction that typically requires specialized lab conditions. But when the team at Northeastern University discovered that the Canadian moonseed had evolved an enzyme to chlorinate all on its own, they realized that this could make pharmaceuticals 1,000 times cheaper and 1,000 times safer. Because if plants can safely make complex chemical compounds, it can save a lot of money and a lot of energy making pharmaceuticals.
I'm a pharmaceutical salesman.
Hey, all I'm saying is while people are buying their way into space or building their bunkers, nature is evolving right under our noses. So maybe sometimes we can take another look at what we already have instead of trying to make something new.
Well, where's the fun in that?
And that right there is some good news. Moving on to a little bit more. This week we got a great community highlight for you. Let's give a massive shout out to MilaniLaborete and DomDotDom. Milani was the #1 subscriber in the episode 2 premiere live chat. And as a bonus, she is also the funniest and the sweetest girl I know. And thank you for being a part of this channel. And DomDotDom was actually the most active member throughout the community for the first few weeks. And if you caught the first episode, I mentioned knowing some people that might want to move to a remote village in Europe. Dom is one of them. All I know is wherever she moves would get a whole lot more lively.
Got a buster move, dropping buster group.
So thank you both for being a part of the community. And that about wraps up this week's episode of the Good News. And if you see value in this sort of content and you believe in it, hit that like and subscribe button and share it with somebody if you're feeling funky. Again, big shout out to MilaniLaborete and DomDotDom. You make the channel what it is. Thank you both.
You guys are the best.
And if you got any good news going on in your life, no matter how big or how small, let us know in the comments. We'd love to give you a shout out on the next community highlight. So be sure to get plenty of doom scrolling in Friday to Wednesday, because next Thursday, we're on time, on schedule, and on demand. We're going to be right here talking about some good news. We hope to see you there. And as Patrick Zahulian says, bye-bye.
Hey, Carl, how you doing? Do I look good from where you standing?
I know I do.
I know there's a couple of things in life I need a bandage. Hey, Carl, how you doing? Do I look good from where you standing? I know there's a couple of things in life. I know there's a couple